okay with the events that are unfolding currently.
You can see the camera, they can see you. And it's the least consequential part of this whole meeting for you, I promise. All right? God save the Queen.
I am untethered and my rage knows no bounds!
We're going to see all this unfold. I'm confident. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, well, I'm pissed, and it feels like your fault.
Vilsack, Senator, excuse me, I voted you. We're going to increase America's share of global memory chips and production by 500%. And I got General Motors, I didn't get them. General Motors decided after a long time spent.
Damn!
You got to take a message of thanks back to your teams. I signed the Chips and Science Act, which I felt very strongly about. You're the most involved generation in American history. Acknowledge the gentle lady from Georgia, Lucy Macbeth. Purchase more food from local farmers and ranchers.
What would be your message to Abdul, his wife, and his